Hi guys, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to program and install your wireless smoke sensor onto your DIY Guardfather security system. And if you are looking for a wireless DIY security system, I'll leave a QR code on the screen that you can scan with your mobile phone. It'll take you straight to the Guardfather website. I'll also leave a link in the description that you can click, and that will take you straight to the website so you can build your own security system and take control of your own security. Now on to installing the device. We're going to add on our smoke sensor. So for our smoke sensor, just untwist and it comes off as so. The same process, remove the battery slip of the device. It will beep to let you know it's got a connection. Click add device on your app, add sub device, enter name, let's call this bedroom smoke sensor. Enter ID by clicking the barcode button, scanning the barcode on the front of your smoke sensor, select room, we'll have as home, select group, we'll have as alarm devices, press confirm, hold the middle button on your smoke sensor, and the smoke sensor is now learnt onto your system. Close up the smoke sensor. Now it's time for you to fit your smoke sensor. This is a back plate. You can see on there it has two knockouts for screws. As provided with all the rest of the equipment, screw a 7mm drill bit on where the markings are, put in your roll plugs and screw in the back plate. Once you've mounted the back plate, put the unit on, work it around until it slots into place, and then twist it to the right and it will click. There you go, smoke sensor installed. There is a test button just here as well. I'm Simon from Simon Security Expert, and if you want to install some more Guardfather equipment together, well then click here or click here.